This is Honor 70 I have in front of me, and today we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint ID, or to put it in other words, fingerprint unlock method. So launch settings, go for the biometrics and password category. In here, go for the fingerprint ID. Firstly, set up the backup screen lock method if you didn't have any screen lock previously set. You can either go for pin code, password, or pattern. Pattern. I'll go with the choice of pattern myself, then redraw it to confirm, and after that I'll use my fingerprint to unlock the device only, and I can start adding the fingerprint finally. So the sensor, as you can see, is located underneath the screen at the bottom part of it. So in order to enroll your fingerprint, simply gradually lay and lift it onto the scanner and wait until your fingerprint gets completely scanned. You can also change the position of it on the sensor so the entire surface of your fingerprint gets successfully scanned. Now I'll just enroll the edges. You can also follow this little visual clues if you are facing any issues while doing that. Alrighty, so job is done. Now we can start using the fingerprint to unlock the screen. Let's test it out. As you can see, the feature works flawlessly and, well, quickly if you'd ask me. Moving on to the next one that you will find in the display category of settings. It is an option that allows you to change the screen refresh rate between values of 60 and 120 Hz. Long story short, higher value gives you smoother and silkier animations and visual experience, while standard value will save you some battery and power. So choose whatever works best for you in particular, or you can just, set it to be dynamic. Thus, the system will automatically switch those two values to fit your current needs. Moving on to the next feature that you'll be able to find at the home screen and wallpaper category, that is called Always on Display. So basically it allows you to display some information, some vital information like time, date, the most recent notifications, even when your display is completely turned off. So in here you can choose the design for it. Quite a few options to choose from. Some images, pre-installed images, graffiti, artistic images, analog clock, and digital clock. I would assume you can also get some custom image going as well. Yep, here it is. Just tap on this plus sign, choose what image you would like to use. I'll go with this one, let's say, and here we have it. You can also configure it to decide which information will be shown. And just not be me, and do not forget to tap on the apply button once you are satisfied with the result. And now, if we will, also before I will show you the result, there is also a display mode setting that allow you to change in which circumstances the AOD will be visible. You can either set it to be shown after a tap, set some schedule for it to be visible inside of, so we'll have a start and end time for it, or to be permanently visible. I'll just set it to be permanently visible, and once I will lock my screen, I'll see that the AOD has been successfully activated and now is, visible. Alrighty, the next option for today you will find at the battery category. So let me quickly answer it. As you can see, currently at the status bar there is no battery percentage. So if I would like to know for sure how much battery I have left, I have to enter the respective category of settings. But if you would like to send this percentage to the status bar as well and make it visible either inside or next to the battery icon, just go for the battery percentage field over here and choose the display mode for it. I'll set it to be visible right next to the battery icon. The fifth and final option that we wanted to highlight today, you will find at the accessibility, or my bad, at the system and updates category. So it is called simple mode. And once active, as you will be able to see now, it increases the size of all interface elements, makes it way easier to navigate through, way simpler. That's a very cool feature for senior people or for the ones who have some vision issues or problems and just want their interface to be more basic, simpler, do not have any excess stuff going on. So that's how the settings will look like. Whenever you want to turn it off, just go into the same system category of settings, simple mode, exit. And as you can see, everything gets back to normal. Alrighty, that will be not only for the final tip, but for this video in general. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.